Texas takes on Big Pharma over Tylenol. This is your brief but brief. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is filing a state-level lawsuit against the makers of Tylenol, Johnson & Johnson and its spin-off company Kenvue, claiming that they deceptively marketed Tylenol as safe for pregnant women while concealing the risks of its active ingredient, acetaminophen. Those risks being autism and ADHD, as pushed by Department of Health Secretary RFK Jr. and President Trump back in September. Paxton's lawsuit alleges that Tylenol's marketing over the past 6 decades as, quote, the only safe painkiller for pregnant women violates Texas consumer protection laws as they deliberately hid data on its links to autism and ADHD. That when Johnson & Johnson restructured itself back in 2023 to create Kenvue as its consumer health division, they did so to transfer legal liabilities and shield themselves from the families they supposedly harmed. As such, Paxton is seeking up to $10,000 per violation under this act and destruction of those marketing materials. These claims have been repeatedly pushed by RFK Jr. primarily based on this review that analyzed 46 observational studies examining an association between prenatal acetaminophen exposure and neurodevelopment disorders, concluding a strong correlation. But even the authors of this review acknowledged it doesn't assume causation, as well as limitations in both the study's design and factors as maternal infections possibly playing a role. Not to mention, the senior author acted as an expert witness in a 2024 case against Tylenol, but was discredited by the federal judge, being deemed unreliable and misrepresenting study results that downplayed contradictory evidence. Major health organizations have openly opposed these claims, and that not taking Tylenol for pain or fever can otherwise be dangerous for pregnant women, that there are significantly more scientifically proven studies that discredit acetaminophen specifically causing autism and ADHD. Johnson & Johnson and Kenvue have denied any wrongdoing, looking to go toe-to-toe with both Texas and multiple other lawsuits that have pushed these claims as fact. Until next time.